Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today, we are going to go over how to concatenate an entire range of cells in Microsoft Excel. So perhaps you've been in Excel before and you have a column of data, just like I have over here in column A. And I would like to take every one of those values and just put them all together in one cell. So I'm going to show you two different ways you can do that. I'm going to show you how you can do that like we have in cell C4, where everything is just pushed together in one cell. And then I'm going to show you how you can put the data together like we have in C7, where you have a separator between each one of the values. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Okay, first, let's go into cell C4. And what I would like to do here is I would like to take my data that is in the form of a column and just put it into rows instead. And that is done by using a formula called transpose. So I'm going to type equals transpose with a left parenthesis. And then I'm going to highlight what I want to transpose. And in this case, it's going to be A1 all the way down to A10. Close my parentheses and hit enter. And this kind of worked. I can now see that my data is going all the way across horizontally instead of vertically. However, I want all of these values in one cell. So if I click into C4 and highlight transpose from the beginning of the parenthesis to the end, but not the equal sign, and I hit F9, I will see that Excel will then transpose all of my values into these curved brackets. And you can see that here, A, B, C, everything in double quotes is what's going down the column over here. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this first bracket with a parenthesis and the last bracket with a parenthesis. And in between the equal sign and the parenthesis, I'm going to type concatenate and hit enter. And now I can see that I do have all of my values in column A all in one cell. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. So now let's try getting a comma as a separator in between each one of my values in column A. So if I start over and I type equals transpose with a left parenthesis, and then I highlight this whole column. And instead of closing my parentheses right now, I'm going to type an ampersand and a double quote and then a comma and then another double quote, and then I'm going to close my parentheses. And when I hit enter, you can now see that each of my values going across horizontally have a comma after it. So let's follow that same process again. I'm going to click back in C7 and highlight my formula except for the equal sign. And then I'm going to press F9. And again, I can see now that my data has been transposed. So let's follow that same process again. Let's replace these curved brackets with regular parentheses. And in between the equal sign and the first parenthesis, let's type concatenate and hit enter. And now you can see that I combined all the values in column A with a comma all into one cell. So hopefully that gives you a way that you can concatenate a bunch of values inside of a column. If you would like to further expand on this, I will include the link to our blog in the YouTube description. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.